In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table on Wix. Whether you are building a professional website, a personal blog, or just a fun project, tables are a great way to organize and present information clearly. They can transform a cluttered page into a structured layout, making it easier for your audience to understand and engage with your content. So let's dive right in and start creating a table on Wix. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website editor. This is the hub where you manage your site's design and content. Once you're in, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side of your screen. Take a closer look and you should see the Add Elements button. Click on it. This area allows you to add various interactive and static elements to your web page, making it incredibly versatile for customization. After clicking Add Elements, you'll see a list of options. Among these, find and click on List. This will present you with various list layouts, but right now we're aiming for something specific. Scroll a bit further and you'll find the Tables option. Clicking on Tables will display a variety of pre-designed table templates tailored for different needs and styles. Now that you're looking at these table options, it's time to choose a table type that best suits your project. Wix offers an array of table designs ranging from simple, clean tables to more elaborately styled ones. Choose one that fits the aesthetics of your website. Don't worry too much if it's not perfect right away. You can easily adjust it later to better match your vision. With your table type chosen, click on it to add it to your web page. But we're not done yet. Click on Manage Table. This tool is your best friend when it comes to editing the content within your table. You can add, remove, and edit data to make sure everything is just how you want it. Next, explore the Layout option. This is where you get to fine-tune the structure and format of your table. You can adjust the column width, row height, and overall table dimensions so it aligns perfectly with your page design. This ensures that your table doesn't just look like it was pasted in, but rather integrated seamlessly into the layout. Lastly, let's focus on making your table visually appealing by clicking on Design. Here you can customize colors, fonts, and spacing to ensure that your table doesn't just convey information, but does so in a way that aligns with your brand. Opt for a color scheme and font style that complements the rest of your site, ensuring a consistent, polished look. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added and customized a table on your Wix website, giving it that extra touch of organization and professionalism. Happy designing!